Our skin, a remarkable organ, serves as our body's primary shield, a dynamic barrier constantly interacting with the world around us. At its core, the outermost layer, the stratum corneum, is a marvel of biological engineering. Picture it as a meticulously constructed brick wall. The bricks are corneocytes, flattened, dead skin cells, and the mortar is a rich lipid matrix composed of ceramides, cholesterol, and free fatty acids. This elegant architecture isn't merely structural, it's the cornerstone of skin hydration, preventing excessive water loss, a process known as transepidermal water loss, TEWL. When this delicate balance is disrupted, when the mortar crumbles or the bricks become sparse, the wall becomes compromised, leading to the telltale signs of dry skin: tightness, flakiness, itching, and an overall uncomfortable sensation. But what causes this vital barrier to falter? The culprits are multifactorial, a complex interplay of internal predispositions and external aggressors. Genetics, for instance, play a significant role. Some individuals are simply born with a predisposition to produce fewer natural moisturizing factors, NMFs, a cocktail of amino acids, urea, pyrrolidone carboxylic acid, PCA, and lactates that act like tiny sponges, drawing and holding water within the stratum corneum. If your genetic lottery ticket didn't include an abundance of NMFs, you might find yourself battling dryness more frequently. Age, too, is an undeniable factor. As we gracefully mature, our sebaceous glands, responsible for producing sebum, a natural oily substance that forms a protective film on the skin's surface, become less active. This decline in sebum production contributes to a weakened skin barrier, making it more susceptible to moisture loss. Environmental factors, however, are often the most pervasive and insidious drivers of dry skin. Consider the humble shower, a daily ritual for many. While seemingly benign, hot water and harsh cleansers can be exceptionally detrimental. Hot water, particularly when prolonged, strips the skin of its natural oils, effectively dissolving the protective lipid barrier. Similarly, many conventional soaps and body washes contain harsh surfactants, chemicals designed to create lather and effectively remove dirt and oil. The twist? They often don't discriminate, stripping away not just grime but also essential lipids, leaving your skin vulnerable and parched. Imagine trying to clean a delicate painting with a powerful degreaser. The outcome is predictable. Then there's the climate. Low humidity environments, whether naturally occurring in arid regions or artificially created by air conditioning in summer and central heating in winter, act like relentless dehydrators, constantly pulling moisture from your skin into the surrounding air. The difference in water vapor pressure between your skin and the dry environment creates a gradient, driving water out of your body. It's akin to leaving a wet sponge out in the sun; it will inevitably dry out. Even seemingly innocent actions, like excessive hand washing, especially with strong antibacterial soaps, can wreak havoc on the hands, leading to chapped, irritated skin. Beyond these common culprits, certain medical conditions can also manifest as dry skin. Eczema, or atopic dermatitis, is a chronic inflammatory skin condition characterized by a severely compromised skin barrier, leading to intense itching, redness, and extreme dryness. Psoriasis, another autoimmune condition, involves an accelerated turnover of skin cells, resulting in thick, scaly patches that are often very dry. Thyroid disorders, particularly hypothyroidism, can slow down metabolic processes, including the production of sebum and the rate of skin cell turnover, leading to dry, rough skin. Diabetes, too, can impact skin health, as high blood sugar levels can damage small blood vessels, impairing blood flow to the skin and leading to dryness and impaired wound healing. Even certain medications, such as diuretics, retinoids, especially oral isotretinoin, and some cholesterol-lowering drugs, can have dry skin as a side effect. The plot thickens when we realize that what seems like a simple case of dry skin could be a subtle clue to an underlying health issue. So, how do we combat this relentless assault on our skin's hydration? The strategy is multifaceted, focusing on restoring and maintaining the integrity of that vital skin barrier. The first, and perhaps most crucial, step is to re-evaluate your bathing habits. Say goodbye to scorching hot showers and prolonged soaks. Opt for lukewarm water and keep your showers short, ideally no more than 5–10 minutes. Immediately after stepping out, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, leaving it slightly damp. This slight dampness is key because it creates a perfect canvas for your moisturizer. And here's where the payoff truly begins. The choice of moisturizer is paramount. Not all moisturizers are created equal. For truly dry skin, you need to think beyond light lotions. Look for rich creams and ointments, which typically have a higher oil content and are more effective at forming an occlusive barrier on the skin's surface, trapping moisture within. Ingredients matter immensely. Seek out humectants like hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which are molecular magnets for water, drawing moisture from the air and deeper layers of the skin into the stratum corneum. Then there are emollients such as ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids, the very mortar of your skin barrier. These ingredients work to fill the gaps between the skin cells, smoothing the skin and restoring its integrity. Occlusives, like petrolatum, mineral oil, and shea butter, form a protective seal on the skin's surface, preventing TEWL. The best moisturizers often combine these different types of ingredients for a synergistic effect. Apply your chosen moisturizer generously within minutes of bathing or washing, locking in that precious moisture before it evaporates. This swift action is a game changer. Beyond bathing and moisturizing, consider your environment. Invest in a humidifier, especially during dry seasons or if you live in an arid climate. Placing one in your bedroom can make a significant difference, adding moisture back into the air and, consequently, back into your skin. Protect your skin from harsh winds and extreme cold by wearing appropriate clothing, scarves, and gloves. Even indoors, direct exposure to heaters or air conditioners can exacerbate dryness, so try to maintain a comfortable, consistent temperature. Diet and lifestyle also play a supporting, albeit less direct, role. While simply drinking more water won't miraculously cure dry skin, maintaining adequate hydration through your diet is beneficial for overall skin health. Incorporate foods rich in essential fatty acids, such as omega-3s found in fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, and walnuts. These healthy fats contribute to the skin's lipid barrier function. Limit excessive caffeine and alcohol intake, as they can have a diuretic effect, potentially contributing to dehydration. And while stress isn't a direct cause of dry skin, chronic stress can exacerbate various skin conditions, including eczema, so managing stress through mindfulness, exercise, or hobbies can indirectly benefit your skin. For those battling more severe or persistent dryness, or if you suspect an underlying medical condition, a visit to a dermatologist is a wise investment. They can accurately diagnose the cause of your dry skin, rule out any serious conditions, and recommend prescription strength treatments if necessary. These might include stronger topical corticosteroids for inflammation, calcineurin inhibitors for eczema, or even oral medications in severe cases. They can also offer personalized advice on skincare routines and product recommendations tailored to your specific needs. Don't underestimate the power of professional guidance. It can be the key to unlocking true skin relief. The journey to hydrated, comfortable skin isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, requiring consistent effort and an understanding of your skin's unique needs. It's about becoming a detective, identifying the subtle cues your skin sends, and adjusting your routine accordingly. The twist here is that what works wonders for one person might not be the magic bullet for another. It requires experimentation, patience, and a willingness to listen to your body. Ultimately, remember that your skin is a living, breathing organ, constantly working to protect you. By understanding its intricate mechanisms and providing it with the care it deserves, you're not just alleviating an uncomfortable symptom. You're investing in your long-term health and well-being. Embrace the knowledge you've gained, apply these strategies diligently, and witness the remarkable transformation from parched to perfectly plumped. If you're ready to embrace skin that feels as good as it looks, start by taking a critical look at your current skincare routine. Small, consistent changes can lead to monumental improvements. Remember, every drop of moisture matters. Treat your skin like the precious shield it is, and it will reward you with comfort, resilience, and a radiant glow that truly reflects your inner vitality.